We use aluminum pots every day. They are a staple in kitchens around the world, helping us prepare our favorite meals with ease and efficiency. From boiling water to making elaborate dishes, aluminum pots are versatile and reliable. But have you ever wondered how they're made? What processes and techniques are involved in transforming raw aluminum into the shiny, durable pots we use daily? It's a journey from simple metal to something you use to cook your food. This transformation is a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and craftsmanship. The problem is simple. How do you turn hard metal into a pot? Aluminum in its raw form is a tough and unyielding material. It requires a series of precise steps to be molded into the familiar shapes we recognize. The solution? Heat, shaping, and a lot of hard work. The process begins with melting the aluminum ingots in industrial furnaces, reaching temperatures high enough to turn the solid metal into a molten state. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Once the aluminum is melted, it is poured into molds to form the basic shape of the pot. This is just the beginning of its transformation. It's a process that takes raw materials and transforms them into something useful. After the initial molding, the aluminum pots undergo several stages of refinement, including trimming, polishing, and adding handles. And let me tell you, it's pretty impressive to see. The final product is a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to turn raw materials into essential tools for everyday life. Each pot is a result of meticulous work and attention to detail, ensuring it meets the standards of quality and durability. The journey from raw aluminum to a finished pot is not just about the physical transformation. It's also about the dedication and skill of the workers who make it possible. And their expertise ensures that each pot is not only functional, but also safe for cooking. Once the pots are completed, they are carefully packaged and shipped to stores around the world. This final step ensures that the pots reach consumers in perfect condition, ready to be used in kitchens everywhere. So the next time you cook a meal, take a moment to appreciate the journey of your aluminum pot. From raw metal to a kitchen essential, it's a story of transformation, hard work, and innovation. And that, in essence, is our goal, to bring you the best tools to make your cooking experience enjoyable and efficient. Our journey begins with aluminum ingots. These are large, rectangular blocks of aluminum. They look kind of like giant metal bricks. These ingots are made from bauxite ore. It's a process that involves crushing, grinding, and refining. But for our purposes, the ingot is just the beginning. Each ingot holds the potential to become a pot, a pan, or any other aluminum cookware you can imagine. And it all starts with melting them down. The next step is a hot one. The aluminum ingots are placed into a giant furnace. This furnace heats the aluminum to over 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt the aluminum into a liquid. Imagine a giant pool of molten metal, glowing bright orange. It's an impressive sight, and the heat is intense. But this molten aluminum is the key to creating our pots and pans. Now that we have liquid aluminum, it's time to shape it. The molten aluminum is poured into molds. These molds are the shapes of our pots and pans. There are molds for saucepans, frying pans, stock pots, you name it. The molten aluminum takes on the shape of the mold. It's like pouring batter into a cake pan, but much, much hotter. And just like that, our cookware starts to take shape. Section 5. Cooling down. Letting the pots take shape. Once the aluminum is in the molds, it needs to cool down. As it cools, it solidifies and hardens. The molds are carefully removed. What's left are the basic shapes of our pots and pans. They're still a little rough around the edges, but they're getting there. Cooling is an important step. It allows the aluminum to harden properly and keep its shape. Section 6. Making it smooth, trimming away the rough edges. The next step is all about making things smooth. The pots and pans have rough edges and extra bits of metal. These are called flashing. Skilled workers use special tools to trim away the flashing. They smooth out the edges and make sure everything is even. It's like sanding down a piece of wood. You're removing the imperfections and creating a smooth, finished product. Section 7. A shiny finish, polishing the pots to perfection. Now it's time for the pots and pans to really shine. They're polished using large buffing machines. These machines use special pads to make the aluminum smooth and shiny. You can see the difference. The dull gray aluminum transforms into a bright reflective surface. Polishing isn't just about looks. It also helps to prevent food from sticking and makes the pots easier to clean. Section 8. Checking for quality. Making sure every pot is top-notch. Before our pots and pans can head to your kitchen, they go through rigorous quality control. Inspectors check each one carefully. They look for any imperfections or defects. They make sure the handles are secure and the pots are the right thickness. Only the best pots and pans make the cut. This ensures that you get a high-quality product that will last for years to come. Section 9. Ready for your kitchen from factory to your home. Once the pots and pans have passed inspection, they're packaged and ready to go. They're shipped to stores all over the country. And finally, they end up in your kitchen, ready to help you create delicious meals. It's been quite a journey. From those raw aluminum ingots to the finished product, it's a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. Section 10. More than just metal. The transformation of aluminum. Aluminum, a metal that is so common in our daily lives, undergoes an incredible journey before it reaches us in its final form. This journey is a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and human ingenuity. Thinking back on the process, it's amazing to see how aluminum transforms. It all starts with bauxite ore, which is mined from the earth. This raw material is then refined into alumina, a white, powdery substance. The alumina is then subjected to electrolysis, a process that uses a significant amount of electricity to separate the aluminum from the oxygen. From solid ingots to molten metal, the transformation is nothing short of spectacular. The molten aluminum is poured into molds to form ingots, which are then cooled and solidified. These ingots are the building blocks for a wide range of aluminum products. To finished cookware, it's a true metamorphosis. The ingots are heated and rolled into thin sheets, which can be shaped and formed into various products. For example, aluminum sheets can be stamped and pressed into cookware, such as pots and pans. This process requires precision and skill to ensure that the final products are of high quality. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary objects have a story behind them. Every aluminum pot or pan in your kitchen has undergone a complex transformation process. From the raw bauxite ore to the finished product, each step in the process is crucial in creating the durable and versatile cookware we use every day. And often, that story involves a lot of heat, skill, and attention to detail. The workers in the aluminum industry are highly skilled professionals who take great pride in their work. They ensure that each piece of aluminum is carefully crafted and inspected to meet strict quality standards. It's a testament to the power of manufacturing. The use of advanced machinery and technology has revolutionized the aluminum industry, making it possible to produce high-quality products efficiently and consistently. Robotic arms and automated systems work alongside human workers to assemble and inspect the cookware, ensuring that each piece meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And the human ability to turn raw materials into something both useful and beautiful. The transformation of aluminum is a perfect example of how human ingenuity and technological advancements can work together to create products that enhance our daily lives. From the raw bauxite ore to the finished cookware in our kitchens, the journey of aluminum is a remarkable story of transformation and innovation. Section 11. Aluminum cookware, an everyday essential. We often take our cookware for granted. It's something we use every day without much thought. But the next time you reach for an aluminum pot, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. From the raw material to the finished product, each pot has a story to tell. It's a journey that involves heat, pressure, and a lot of hard work. The process starts with mining bauxite ore, which is then refined into alumina. This alumina is smelted to produce aluminum metal. The aluminum is then cast into ingots, which are rolled into sheets or extruded into various shapes. These sheets and shapes are then formed into the pots and pans we use in our kitchens. The result is a kitchen essential that helps us nourish ourselves and our families. Aluminum cookware is lightweight, durable, and an excellent conductor of heat, making it a favorite among both home cooks and professional chefs. So the next time you're cooking up a storm in your kitchen, remember the humble aluminum pot and the incredible journey it took to get there. Think about the miners who extracted the bauxite, the workers who refined it into aluminum, and the craftsmen who shaped it into the pot you're using. Each step in the process requires skill, precision, and dedication. Aluminum cookware is not just a tool, it's a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. It's a product of countless hours of labor and expertise, and it's something that makes our lives a little bit easier every day. So, Let's take a moment to appreciate the everyday essentials in our lives, the things we often overlook but can't live without. The aluminum pot is just one example, but it's a powerful reminder of the many hands that contribute to the things we use daily. Next time you cook a meal, think about the journey of your aluminum pot. From the earth to your kitchen, it's a story of transformation, hard work, and dedication. And it's a story worth remembering.